Good morning, this is The Alchemist. Okay, so I seem to have lost a video after number 8. I thought that I posted the practical exercise that went with it, but I didn't for some reason. So we're just following on from the positive and negative algorithms. This is a practical exercise to identify what frequency you're emitting. Now, I want you to do a spider graph. For those that don't know what a spider graph is, you just put a circle with yourself in the middle and lines coming off it like a spider. You put one line for mum, one line for dad, one line for your brothers, and one line for your sisters. In each of them sections, I want you to put positive and negative sections. Now, I want you to put one-word answers because you're going to count them. You count up the brothers collectively and you count up the sisters collectively. Okay, so each, for example, I want you to put the feelings that you got from each relationship. So kindness, rejection, detachment, whatever it is. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to add up the positive and the negative feelings. Then I want you, if the negative is more than the positive, I want you to put a negative algorithm. And I want you to do this with each of the sections. If the negative outweighs the positive, then it's negative. If the positive outweighs the negative, then it's positive. Now, once we've done that, you're going to then collect all the algorithms that you've formed, and if the algorithms, if there's more positive than negative, I want you to write that down as a negative algorithm. Now, that will identify whether you're vibrating at a negative frequency. Now, I've explained in my previous videos how you get to a point of emitting negative frequencies from memories and thoughts, feelings and behaviours. The previous videos will help you adjust that and change that, but it takes a lot of work. So even though it's a short video, it's something that you need to go over and over again, the process, in order to understand it and evolve. I've given you also in previous videos memory replacement tools for you to, like props for instance, for you to place in a memory instantly to change the frequency. Now, once you've identified the negative frequency, all it is just identifying that you need to heal. And it's a conscious way of being aware of the frequency that you're emitting. Now, I don't think I've ever seen anybody in a completion of healing. And that is because that we're in a constant state of renewal. So everybody's a work in progress. Some people are higher advanced than others when it comes to these things. But there is no one that I believe that's at a full completion of healing, because we're always at a process of renewal. Now, I hope that practical exercise helps you to identify what frequency you're emitting. And once you realise the frequency that you're emitting, I want you to go back on the previous videos to explain how you change, and it explains how you change that frequency.